I was denied for the Apple credit card? How? How was this even possible? Now, before you guys roast me in the comment section, I didn't really want the Apple credit card. I know it sounds a little like I didn't even want to be with her anyway. No, she rejected you. But I can assure you, I did not want the Apple credit card. Let me just make that perfectly clear. The reason why I had applied for the Apple credit card, I just wanted to see what type of credit limit that they would offer me, because unless you accept their offer after being approved, you don't actually get a hard pull. It's a soft pull. A soft pull doesn't affect your credit. Now that hard pull, once you accept their offer, will affect your credit. It's probably going to dock your credit score like 5 or 6 points. It's no big deal at all, but Goldman Sachs Bank, the bank that issues the Apple credit card, sent me the denial email pretty much immediately. And I'll read some of this for you. It says, your application has been reviewed. Thank you for your interest in the Apple credit card. Goldman Sachs Bank USA has reviewed your application and it was not approved at this time because they checked TransUnion. Your TransUnion credit report shows that you've recently opened too many bank revolving trades. Now, I will say this, that is fair. I've gotten to the end game of my credit card journey. I've finished getting all the cards that I'll ever want. But Goldman Sachs, they did not finish with me. They were not finished with me yet. They continued to roast me. They said, this decision will not impact your credit score. Okay, thanks.
Now let them have it!
And then they started roasting my credit score. They said the key factors that adversely affected your credit score, proportion of balances to credit limits on bank, national revolving, or other revolving accounts is too high. Okay. Then they said, length of time revolving accounts have been established. Wait a second. Proportion of loan balances to loan amounts is too high? Huh? Length of time accounts have been established?
Get over here!
Number of inquiries? Bro, it's just a roasting session.
Finish him.
And then they had the nerve to say, if you have any questions regarding your credit score, you should contact TransUnion Consumer Solutions. I don't have any questions about my credit score. My credit score is plenty high enough. I am just in shock that this card that I view as somewhat of a subprime card denied me. Now, I've been approved for many cards in the past and I've been denied for many cards. But I will tell you this, getting denied for a credit card is pretty much par for the course. Now, if you've gotten denied for the Apple credit card and you're confused, then I would recommend that you try to do something about it. Try to either contact TransUnion or try to take a look at the reasons that adversely affected your credit score and see if you can improve them or if there's a mistake on your credit score, because then you'll actually want to contact 1-800-916-8800. But I just found it funny that I was denied for the Apple credit card. Someone like me who has all of these credit cards, but the Apple credit card doesn't want me, which is really not true. I was just in the season of getting credit cards where things like this, they tend to happen. Now, hopefully you don't get denied for this credit card, but if you do get denied for this credit card, it's not that big of a deal. It doesn't even affect your credit. How about that? And like I said, I don't really like the Apple credit card. I like the fact that it's a nice metal credit card, but other than that, I don't really like it. I get more benefit from Chase UR points or from American Express membership reward points, which I talk about in videos just like this. Why don't you go check that video out? See you there.